Last video was basically doing an exhaust on this one, but now we got the Del Sol up on the lift, and I had full intentions of trying to do the exhaust today, but this looks like a football. That's not round at all. This has me a little bit more concerned. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but there isn't even room here to put a coupler on the turbo, and then even if we weld like a cast 90 onto it, we need an AC condenser in here, so that's not going to work. And then if we come this way, the oil line's right in the way. Most likely, if I redo the oil line, I can get it all to work, but I got to make sure I can get an AC condenser in here first, otherwise none of this is going to work. Might maybe sort of prove myself wrong on this one, hopefully. So I got it in there, and then just add another hurdle to the equation here, is that the O2 bung, the sensor's going to hit the oil return line. So maybe we'll plug that one and put another one back here. When was the last time you saw somebody use one of these braces? And then I'm assuming they have this pressure sensor here where it would be like crankcase pressure. Oh good, more stupid ass four-wheelers. So I'm assuming they meant to put this over here in the oil pressure spot. So I'll have to ask them about that. And so we're gonna have to make this tube round, grind off the ceramic coating on it so we can weld to it. We'll probably kick it up a little bit and then bring it back and add an O2 bung, add a flex joint, and add a V-band. So I guess I'll get started on that now. Parallel with the ground, so you can see that'll give it a good amount more ground clearance. So if we put this here, that becomes the lowest point. Load all this up, put a little, oh, something just dripped right on my face. That sucks. Whoa, all hell's breaking loose over here. Put a little bit of straight and then put the V-band right in this area. I need more hands. These are without a doubt one of my least favorite things to weld. It doesn't help at all that all I have is 35 thousandths wire too. Something a little thicker would work out a lot better for this. I found that the secret to welding these is just accepting that it's going to look like hell.
You look like hammered shit.
This downpipe's like totally oval, kind of looks like a football, doesn't fit the tubing it needs to line up with, so we'll expand it and make it round again. This is one of those tools I couldn't live without. Alright, now we got a finished downpipe with maximum ground clearance, O2 bung. That's not in the AC compressor. Should be ready to roll. Alright, so now we'll go from this V-band, about a foot of tubing. And put the resonator right about here. And then after that, we'll just have a long straight section until our bends start. I'll never get bored welding these. So much fun. Stuff welds so good. Alright, so I got some straight stuff here. I used some high precision tooling just to help center it since I only have two hands. And now, just take this. Now I'll just take this elbow, cut it probably somewhere around there. And then somewhere in this area, we'll throw a V-band so I can get up and over that rear control arm.